Alright, so for today's From the Shop segment, air hoses. Sure, probably most anybody's seen one like this where either you poked a hole in the end or it cracked or something, so you just took and shoved a hose barb in the end and put a regular screw clamp in it. Well, this is not really the ideal situation. You know, you could catch this on your hand and open it up and not good, or it's just not ideal. So I'm going to show you a little something I discovered. First thing we got to do is take this clamp off of here. Now if you have a PEX ring crimper tool set like this, you get yourself a crimp ring for 1/2-inch PEX, and once you have your end ready to go, first thing you do is you slide a ring on the hose, then take this, and you might want to put a little soap or lube on there because it'll slide in kind of hard with the ring on the outside. But the next thing you're going to do then is push this into the hose with the crimp ring on it. Okay, I just went over and put a little soap and water on it, so we'll get her started in there and we'll just push it on. Okay, once you got it pushed on, then you get out your crimp tool. Okay, get out your crimp tool and get it in there, and then just like you would crimp PEX, you just crimp her down like so, and pop her off, and there you have it. I have never had one of these fail. I mean, it's about as close to a factory crimp job as you're going to get on one of these hoses, and like I say, I've never had an issue with it. I can't guarantee you this will work in every situation based on, you know, how thick the wall is of the hose, but so far every 3/8 hose I've fixed with a 1/2-inch PEX ring has worked out. So yeah, there you go. Much better than a screw clamp. Better than it was, good enough for what it is.